Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arushi.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And I wanted to ask, is there a specific date to submit our notebooks?
I think they'll inform you, the school office people will inform you that when you have to submit.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when will we get the date sheet?
Most probably you will get them after your 5 days break or before that 5 days break,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to ask how many worksheets have we done in chapter 1?
Beta, don't worry. We will redo all those worksheets for the revision part, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will do history or geography.
Beta, we will do history because I think very less portion is left for the chapter to be over, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Fine. I think most of you have joined. Most of the students have joined. Fine. Do I need to share the book on the screen or you all have the books with you in your hands?
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
You all
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
right. So if you could tell me where
Ma'am,
exactly.
can you,
Yes, Avantika.
Ma'am, we have to start.
Avantika was saying something, Avantika?
Ma'am, we
Yes.
have to start from new trades, new employments, and new services.
Yes, Molly.
Ma'am, I had to say last class.
Beta, you are not audible. You are not, your voice is cracking in between. Avantika?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible now?
Now you are audible, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Bolo Avantika, bacha.
Ma'am, can you? Yes, ma'am. Can you please share the flowcharts you shared on Saturday as I couldn't attend the class?
Beta, lot of time will go in that. You can see the audio, video recording of that class, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Share it in group?
No, no. Okay, fine. Ishi, where were we reading?
Ma'am, we have to start from third paragraph of new trades, new employments, and new services.
Okay.
Some reading was done, only explanation was left.
Right. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. The last paragraph that I think Ishi only read, no, that day.
Yes, ma'am.
I think I told you
Yes,
that
ma'am,
this
reading
paragraph.
is done.
This is done. I think I told you as well that this paragraph completely tells you that how the forest dwellers, those who were there, they had to. Yes, Ishi.
Ma'am, nothing. It was by mistake.
Fine, fine. People had to, how these people had to, shift to other trades, right? How they had to change their occupation only for the survival. To earn their livelihoods, they had to shift to various or different occupations, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine,
ma'am.
fine.
Ma'am, we have to start from rebellion in the
Yes.
forest.
Now, rebellion in forest. I think this flowchart also I shared with you all, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This flowchart, this rebellion in the forest tells you that how the people of Bastar, we are doing the case study of Bastar, that how the people of Bastar, they, initiated a rebellion. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, Parush. How the people of Bastar, they initiated a rebellion against the British laws that were coming up, one by one after another, how they were coming up. People were not ready to accept them. Reason being, these were the people who were born there and they were so much acquainted with the, flora and fauna of the forest that they could not imagine their lives without the forests. Like if you tell them, like in the present time, if you tell a child to, completely separate from mobiles, the reaction of that person will be very weird. Means something, the person will give you such a look that as if, you are a person coming from ancient era and don't want the child to explore the world by having phone in the hands, right? So just like that, people of Bastar also felt like that, that something part of their life is being taken away from them through the forest laws that were imposed by the British. I hope this much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes,
Second
ma'am.
thing,
Yes, ma'am.
second thing, you will also read that what kind of people, what kind of life was led by the people of Bastar, how they were so grateful towards the motherland, and how they used to, show their gratitude towards the mother earth by, whenever a person used to take anything from other villages, they used to give, something in lieu of that. Like it is given over here that as Devsari Dandman, that was something which people used to pay in, money, cash. कुछ exchange में देते थे, कुछ भी सामान जब वो लेते थे वहां से, कोई भी प्रोड्यूस लेते थे या कोई भी मतलब कोई भी चीज जो फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होती थी उसको लेने के एवज में, इन ल्यू ऑफ दैट, दे यूज्ड टू गिव ईदर मनी, या तो पैसे देते थे या फिर उसके बदले में कोई ऐसी चीज जो उस गांव के लोगों को रिक्वायर्ड रहती थी. तो कुछ इस तरीके का लाइफ वाज लेड बाय दीज पीपल एंड दे वर वेरी सिंपल पीपल. एंड व्हाई दे शोड देयर ग्रेटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स मदर अर्थ, बिकॉज उनको लगता था कि जो भी उनके पास है, जो भी ये मतलब ये एयर, ये विंड जो है, ये आपका जो अर्थ है, जो फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, ये सारे के सारे मदर लैंड जो मदर अर्थ जो है उसने हमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देके रखे हुए हैं. तो उसके लिए दे नीड टू बी they need to pay to her. अब वो कैसे पे करते थे? by taking care of the surroundings, by taking care of the forest areas. वहां पे ये इंश्योर करके कि भाई प्लांट्स ट्रीज लगाई जा रही हैं, कोई भी जो है अननेसेसरीली जो है प्लांट्स जो ट्रीज हैं उनको जो है नहीं काट रहा है, या जो भी मतलब कल्टीवेशन हो रहा है उसमें जो भी चीजें ली जा रही हैं उसके लियो में कुछ ना कुछ उसको दिया जा रहा है. तो इस तरीके से दे यूज्ड टू शो देयर ग्रेटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स दी मदर अर्थ. उसके बाद आप पढ़ोगे दैट व्हाट वर द फियर्स ऑफ द पीपल. जैसे ये पैराग्राफ खत्म होने के बाद यू हैव अनदर पैराग्राफ जिसमें दे टेल यू अबाउट दैट हाउ व्हाट वर द फियर्स ऑफ द पीपल. लोगों को ये लगा कि भाई द वे द फॉरेस्ट लॉज आर कमिंग वन आफ्टर अनदर, दीज लॉज आर रियली गोइंग टू क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम. रीजन बीइंग, उनको लगा कि अगर इस तरीके से ब्रिटिश अपने रूल्स को, अपने लॉज को इम्पोज करते रहेंगे हमारे ऊपर, तो एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि दे विल बी कंप्लीटली डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट गुड्स. वो अपने मदरलैंड से कंप्लीटली दूर हो जाएंगे, मदर अर्थ से कंप्लीटली दूर हो जाएंगे, विच दे नेवर वांटेड टू go for, right? दूसरा cultivation rights उनसे ले लिए गए, उनको सामान collect करने के rights उनसे ले लिए गए, उनको for everything that they were collecting from forest they had to pay for it. This was also something that was creating nuisance in their lives. They were so, you know, like they had nothing with them left. Their livelihoods were taken by the colonial rulers. Moreover, the people from their own villages who were deployed, who were employed as guards and, you know, police to take care of the reserved and the protected and the village forests, these people were also creating nuisance in their lives. They were, for every small thing that they were taking, they had to pay a cost for that. Either free food they were supposed to give, or they were supposed to rent them some money, right? I hope this much is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
how,
ma'am.
then how slowly
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
how slowly these people could not digest the fact that the colonial rulers are slowly, they are you know, gradually they are capturing, they are taking everything under their control. So this they could not take. When they came to know that 2/3 of the forests are going to be reserved by the colonial rulers, they could not digest this fact, they could not take it, and ultimately they clearly, you know, declared rebellion against the rulers, colonial rulers. Though the rebellion was not successful, but yes, to some extent it could create fear in the minds of the British. Reason being, initially when the rebellion opened, they were not able to control it. Gradually they controlled it by, you know, becoming harsh. But initially when it was, you know, when the rebellion was opened on them, that time it was very difficult for them to control. And when they realized this fact, that by imposing strict laws, people are going to rebel against them, they never wanted to have a situation that was there in 1857, that revolt situation which happened in 1857. They never wanted to face something like that again. So what they did, for some time they, you know, suspended everything. Even the imposing of the laws that they had initiated was also, they were also suspended for some time. And this is what you have in this rebellion of Bastar. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So let us have Molly Mishra reading. Let us have Molly Mishra reading. Molly, are you there?
Yes.
Read
Yes,
it.
ma'am, I'm reading. In many parts of India and across the world, forest communities rebelled against the changes that were being imposed on them. The leaders of these movements against the British, like Sidhu and Kanu in the Santhal Parganas, Birsa Munda of Chota Nagpur, or Alluri Sitarama Raju of Andhra Pradesh, are still remembered today in songs and stories. We will now discuss in detail one such rebellion which took place in the kingdom of Bastar in 1910.
Okay.
The people of Bastar.
Wait. Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
They are
Ma'am.
simply telling you. They are simply telling you about the various communities, various people who became the leaders to initiate the rebellion in the forest areas, for the forest societies, so for the forest communities which were there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Many of them are remembered in the folk songs, folk tales of those regions, जिनको हम लोक कथाएं, लोक नृत्य, लोक गान ये सब कहते हैं, जो किसी भी पर्टिकुलर रीजन में कन्फाइंड होते हैं, उनको हम फोक टेल्स या फोक सॉन्ग्स कहते हैं या फोक स्टोरीज कहते हैं. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let us have Taranjot reading if he is there in the class. Taran, are you there?
Ma'am, I am there.
Read beta.
Yes, ma'am, I got disconnected.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I have one doubt, ma'am. Can I ask?
हाँ बेटा पूछो.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the map here in the figure 20, ma'am, it is given that, ma'am, in India map, ma'am, Bastar was another state, ma'am. So, ma'am, what happened to Bastar, ma'am, today? Why it doesn't show?
मतलब समझ नहीं आया मुझे आपकी बात.
मैम कि बस्तर मैम कहाँ चला गया मैम?
बेटा बस्तर was never a state. बस्तर was a part of मध्य प्रदेश. ठीक है, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. मध्य प्रदेश का पार्ट था, पर जब मध्य प्रदेश को क्रेव आउट करा गया, जब छत्तीसगढ़ को क्रेव आउट करा गया मध्य प्रदेश से, उसके बाद जो बस्तर था वो छत्तीसगढ़ का पार्ट हो गया। इतना क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। अब 2001 में जो है क्रेव आउट करा गया मध्य प्रदेश से छत्तीसगढ़ को, तब बस्तर जो है छत्तीसगढ़ का पार्ट हो गया। उससे जब ये बस्तर जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट थी, यहाँ पे देखो इसे दिया हुआ है 1947 बस्तर किंगडम वाज मर्ज्ड विद कांकड़ किंगडम एंड बिकेम बस्तर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन मध्य प्रदेश। मतलब 1947 में बस्तर एक किंगडम हुआ करती थी जिसको कि कांकेर किंगडम के साथ मर्ज कर दिया गया और वो उसको बस्तर का नाम दे दिया गया एज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन मध्य प्रदेश। इतना क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
फिर
ma'am.
1998 में बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश उसको दोबारा से डिवाइड करा गया इनटू 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, कांकड़, बस्तर और दंतावाड़ा। ठीक है, इतना क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद 2001 में जब मध्य प्रदेश से छत्तीसगढ़ को अलग करा गया, ये तो आपको पता है ना, छत्तीसगढ़ को मध्य प्रदेश से क्रेव आउट करा गया था।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो कह रहा है उस टाइम पे जो है बस्तर बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़। बस इसमें इतना ही बताया गया है और वो ये भी बता रहे हैं कि
Ma'am, why
1900
it happened?
बेटा देखो, इनिशियली तो जो किंगडम मर्ज हुई तो इस वजह से जो है वो बस्तर हो गया। बाद में फिर फर्दर उसका डिवीजन हुआ, जैसे अभी यूपी के 3 हिस्से करने की बात चल रही है कि भाई यूपी जो है उसको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया जाएगा। आपने सुना होगा न्यूज में इसके
Ma'am,
बारे
why
में।
the states are divided? Like earlier, Punjab was divided into 2 states, Haryana and Punjab, and Madhya
बेटा
Pradesh was divided into 2 parts.
I'll tell you, वो इसलिए कि जब फर्दर डिविजन्स हुए थे आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, उसके बाद भी और भी होते रहे थे, तो इट इज बेसिकली ऑन द डिमांड ऑफ द पीपल कि भाई जैसे जो छत्तीसगढ़ है उसमें सबसे, छत्तीसगढ़ वाला जो पोर्शन है वहां पे सबसे ज्यादा ट्राइबल्स रहते हैं। ठीक है, उनकी लाइफ स्टाइल सब कुछ डिफरेंट है, तो ऑन डिमांड ऑफ दैट कि भाई क्योंकि ट्राइबल जो लाइफ स्टाइल होता है वो सब अलग है, फॉरेस्ट रीजन है पूरा का पूरा, तो इसलिए जो है उसको आप क्रेव आउट करके आप अलग कर दो उसको। फिर मध्य प्रदेश जो अपने आप में इट वाज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट एट दैट टाइम बिफोर इट्स डिवीजन, राइट। साइज में अगर आप देखो तो सबसे उस समय 2001 से पहले मध्य प्रदेश वाज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन साइज।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो इतने बड़े स्टेट को मैनेज करना भी मुश्किल हो रहा था, इस वजह से भी थोड़ा सा जो है जो लोकल्स थे, जो ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स थे, दे डिमांडेड फॉर इट्स सेपरेशन। उनको लगा कि भाई अगर वो अलग हो जाएगा तो शायद डेवलप ज्यादा हो जाए वो लोग, क्योंकि भाई एज अ पार्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश बहुत ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पा रहा था। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है। उसके बाद ये लास्ट में जो इन्होंने बताया है कि 1910 में जो रेबेलियन हुआ सबसे पहले, वो कांकेर फॉरेस्ट जो था वहां पे हुआ। ये देखो, ये जो एनसर्कल्ड पोर्शन है ये कांकेर रीजन ही तो है। तो उन्होंने बोला सबसे पहले बस्तर में ही जब हम बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे कांकेर फॉरेस्ट जो एरिया था यहाँ पे सबसे पहले रेबेलियन इनिशिएट हुआ, उसके बाद इट स्प्रेड टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्टेट। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए तरन स्टार्ट बेटा।
Ma'am, from the people of Bastar.
यस,
Bastar is located in the southernmost part of Chhattisgarh and borders of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Maharashtra. The central part of Bastar is on a plateau. To the north of this plateau is the Chhattisgarh plain, and to its south is the Godavari plain. The river Indravati winds across Bastar east to west. A number of different communities live in Bastar, such as Maria and Muria Gonds, Dhurvas, Bhatras, and Halbas. They speak different languages but share common customs and beliefs. The people of Bastar believe that each village was given its land by the earth, and in return, they look after the earth by making some offerings at each agricultural festivals. In addition to the earth, they, they show respect to the spirits of river, the forest, and the mountain. Since each village knows where its boundaries lie, the local people look after all the natural resources within that boundary. If people from a village want to take some good from the forest of another village, they pay a small fee called Devsari, Dand, or Man in
Man.
exchange.
Hmm.
Man in exchange. Some villages also protect their forest by engaging watchmen, and each household contributes some grains to pay them. Every year, there is one big hunt where the headmen of villages in Pargana,
Paragana.
cluster of villages meet and discuss issues of concern, including forest. The fear of people.
No. It's okay, Taran. Anything in this paragraph, whole thing to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is Pargana?
Beta cluster, group of villages.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये जो है ये सिस्टम जो था ये ब्रिटिश के टाइम से था ताकि वो इजीली जो है लैंड रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट कर सके इन लोगों से. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have a doubt.
Yes, pass.
Ma'am, this bribe, devsari, dand, or man have different values or are same?
It is the same, but they were called by different names.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we proceed on?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Can we have Rudransh Yadav reading? Do we have Rudransh in the class? Wait. Rudransh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
If you could read the fears of the people.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The fears of the people. When the colonial government proposed to the reserve 2/3 of the forest in 1905, the stop shifting cultivation, hunting and collection of forest produce, the people of Bastar were very worried. Some villagers were allowed to stay in the reserve forest on the condition that they worked free for the forest department in cutting and transporting trees and protecting the forest from fires. Subsequently, these came to known as forest villages. People of other villages were displaced without any notice or compensation. For long, villagers had been suffering from increased land rents and frequent demands for free labor and goods by colonial officials. They came
Yes. It is
the
official.
terrible.
Then came
They
the
came famines in 1899 to 1900, and again in 1907 to 1908. Reservations proved to be the last straw.
fine. Class, anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
All clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Can we have Porush reading the next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Read better.
Okay, ma'am. People began to gather and discuss their issues in their village councils, in bazaars, and at festivals, or wherever the headmen and priests of several villages were assembled. The initiative was taken by the Durwas of the Kangar forest, where reservation first took place. Although there was no single leader, many people speak of Gundadur from village Netanar
Village
has an
Nethanar.
important figure.
Village Nethanar.
Village Netnar has an important figure in the movement. In 1910, Mango bows, a lump of earth, chilies, and arrows began circulating between villages. These were actually messages inviting villagers to rebel against British. Every village contributed something to the rebellion expenses. Bazaars were looted, the houses of officials and traders, schools and police stations were burnt and robbed, and grain redistributed. Most of those who were attacked were in some way associated with the colonial state and its oppressive laws. William Ward, a missionary who observed the events, wrote, "From all directions came streaming into Jagdalpur police, merchants, forest peons, schoolmasters, and immigrants."
ठीक है. But anything in this to be explained, class?
Ma'am, what are immigrants?
Okay. Let me ask from you people only. Anoki, who are immigrants?
Ma'am, immigrants are people who go out of their home and ma'am they get stuck abroad.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, I'll have to check.
Okay, don't check. Let me ask from others. Saksham? Saksham? Do we have Saksham in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
What is meant by immigrants?
Ma'am, I found out. May I say?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, an immigrant is a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign
Yes.
country.
Yes. These were immigrants were those people who came permanently to settle in India in the during the British rule, right? Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See, 3 people have left the meeting. Chalo, no problems. And nothing to be explained over here, no? Everything fine and clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is meant by a lump of earth?
चलो ठीक है, ये भी हम आप ही से पूछते हैं पहले, फिर I will tell you. Can we have Taran telling us what is meant by lump of earth?
A piece of land or a patch of land.
What exactly it meant?
Ma'am, I think soil.
Huh?
Ma'am, soil.
Ma'am, a property. Ma'am, a
Land.
property.
No. Lump of earth means piece of land, right? Because Britishers, they were
I told this only.
हाँ ठीक है. Agreed, Taran, agreed. I wanted others also to tell me, no? ठीक है. हाँ?
मैम मिट्टी का ढेर
क्या कह रहे हो?
मैम मिट्टी का ढेर इन हिंदी मिट्टी का
हाँ,
ढेर
वो इसलिए देखो भाई जो ये जो लैंड था forest land tha, that belonged to the forest dwellers, to the tribal groups which were there, and the Britishers, they were the ones who had taken the ownership of it illegally without asking the people, because they were the rulers over there, colonial rulers they were. That is why these kind of symbols were sent. Like nobody could make out that why these things are being exchanged, though they were symbols, they were signs that conveyed to the public, to the people who could understand these symbols. Ki now it is the time to rebel, to revolt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Chalo.
नो मैम
Right. Let us have Vyom
May I?
Sharma reading. Vyom Sharma. Is Vyom Sharma there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read beta.
Ma'am, I have to read source F or what, ma'am?
No. The British sent troops.
Okay, ma'am. The British sent troops to suppress the rebellion. The Adivasi leaders tried to negotiate, but the British surrounded their camps and fired upon them. After that, they marched through the villages, flogging and punishing those who had taken part in the rebellion. Most villages were deserted as people fled into the jungles. It took 3 months for the British to regain control. However, they never managed to capture Gundadhur in a major victory for the rebels. Work on reservation was temporarily suspended, and the area to be reserved was reduced to roughly half of that land before 1910.
Fine. Anything in this to be explained? Class?
No, ma'am.
Chaliye,
No,
quickly
ma'am.
quickly your attendance, okay? You can silently read the next paragraph on your own. By the time I'll take your attendance, okay? Ahana Sharma,
Present, ma'am.
fine. Radhe Chabra,
Present, ma'am.
Arush Jaiswal, not there. Abhishri Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Anoki,
Present, ma'am.
Ishika Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Anvesha, not there. Arihant Nigam,
Present, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav, not there. Arushi Nigam,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Gangwar, not there. Asjad Raza, not there. Atharv Verma, not there. Avantika, Ayushi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ayushi not there. Then Bhavya Khandelwal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have started sounding like your Didi. Do you know? Whenever you speak, I feel as if Adya is talking to me. Gurleen? No. Then Harshit Oberoi? No. Himanshu Singh? Himanshu Singh is there? No. Ishi?
Present, ma'am.
Jay Kanojia? Is not there. Arav Patel? Arav Patel is also not there. Jivyansh Arora? Jivyansh not there. Kartikeya Saxena not there. Kavya Tripathi not there. Khyati Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Kinjal Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Kumar? Not there. Molly Mishra?
Present, ma'am.
Mihika?
Ma'am. Present,
Ka-
ma'am.
Kavya Tripathi is present? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mihika present. Parush Daksh present.
Ma'am, Parush present.
Okay. Then Prachi Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Pradyuman? Do we have Pradyuman? Pradyuman Prakhar? No. Prashasti? Purvi? Rudransh?
Present, ma'am.
Rudransh?
Present, ma'am.
Sham?
Present,
Samriddhi?
ma'am.
Samriddhi?
Present.
Shakun? Shagun Mittal?
Ma'am, second present.
Okay. Shambhavi is not there. Shashank Navodit? Not there. Shivansh Pal?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Shreya?
Ma'am, present.
Siddhi Mittal?
Present, ma'am.
Karan?
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh Gangwar?
Ma'am, Utkarsh present.
Krishna Kumar is not connected to the audio. Just imagine he's there in the class. How is he taking his class? Must be playing, fooling
Yes, ma'am.
around, right? Isn't it? Vyom Saxena,
Yes, present, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma,
Ma'am, Utkarsh present.
Present, ma'am.
and Yashika. Not in the class today. Chalo. I hope I have not left anybody. Today I have taken all the names proper in sequence,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What is the relevance of today's date? Do you know?
Ma'am, today is International Yoga Day.
International Yoga Day.
Very good.
Ma'am, today is a summer
Ma'am,
solstice.
today day and night becomes equal.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Today, not day and night are not equal. Today, we have the
Ma'am, the
longest
day is
Today
the
is summer
ma'am, today is the
solstice.
longest day, ma'am.
day.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am, today is summer
Yes,
solstice.
summer solstice. It is the day is the longest. Today
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can enjoy, you can play, you can enjoy for more time in the evening. If you are going out for walking and all, if you are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
for playing and all,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
little
And plus International Yoga Day also.
yes, plus International Yoga Day. Both are relevant in the present time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, when is the longest night?
Batao, who will tell? When do we have
Ma'am,
longest
21
night?
December.
20
21 December.
or 23rd
Ma'am,
December?
21 December.
23rd or
Ma'am, I
21st?
think
Ma'am, we have
23rd. Ma'am, I
It
think
is-
ma'am
23rd.
21st.
No, beta 23rd December.
Yes, ma'am, I was thinking like that.
It is 23rd.
Ma'am, I
23rd.
like the longest night. Ma'am, because we can sleep more time.
I know many children say this only because we get extra hours.
Ma'am, it is 21 December.
It is 21st December.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's 21st December. Yes, ma'am.
Check
Yes,
it on
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am, it's 21st.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I rectify myself. It is 21st December. Saksham was right.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the longest day and night, ma'am, date are same.
Okay,
Ma'am, but the months are
months are different. One is the 6th month and one is the 12th month.
Yes,
Exactly
ma'am.
after 6 months, right? Okay. Chalo.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
last
And ma'am,
last
when
para-
is the ma'am day and night equal?
when do we have day and night equal? Anybody in the class? Children? Huh?
Ma'am, 23rd September.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
21 March and 23
March
September.
21 and 23 September.
23
Yes.
So, ma'am,
September.
21 March and 23 September.
Yes, very good. 21st
Ma'am,
March,
that's the
23rd
March and
September.
23rd
September, ma'am.
हाँ नहीं नहीं September बेटा.
23rd September.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
23rd September.
23rd September and 21st.
March.
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 March, ma'am.
March.
Very good. Very good. These are
Ma'am, I
general.
was thinking, ma'am, that longest day, ma'am, was on 23rd, ma'am, but it was 21st only. It clarify more,
Yes,
ma'am.
21st. Fine. Okay. These are general things we should keep on recapitulating, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Watch,
Good.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, did you watch the match of New Zealand and India?
Beta, you are not audible, Vyom. You are saying something. I can hear that you are saying something. But what?
Ma'am, did you watch last day of New Zealand and India match?
No, beta, I didn't watch it. Test
Ma'am.
matches, I don't like. It is so boring. IPLs
Ma'am,
are better than the test
Yes,
matches.
ma'am. Ma'am, IPLs are the best. Ma'am,
No,
I like
IPLs are the
IPL.
best.
Ma'am, but
They are
it's
so
the
thrilling.
World Test Championship final match.
But I didn't see it, beta. I know that yesterday, Abhi was
And
telling
today
me.
is day 4 of the match.
Haan,
Ma'am, 44
Ma'am,
years.
which is your favorite team in IPL?
Dhoni's CSK.
Ma'am, same.
Same.
So everybody is. Most of the people have the CSK as their favorite, I believe.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
watched
ma'am.
Best.
Mumbai India.
And
Best.
Mumbai Indians.
Ma'am, Mumbai
Either
Indians.
CSK or Mumbai Indians.
But see, even I support CSK and Mumbai Indians, not any, no other
Ma'am,
team.
because Ambani is there in Mumbai Indians.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Fine.
the best match are between these two teams only.
ऐसा नहीं है बेटा और भी teams अच्छी
Yes,
खेलती
ma'am. CSK and MI matches are so intense.
हाँ. They are intense, I agree, but then there are other teams also, though, like they have got some very good players in them. They also
Ma'am,
play.
like
Huh?
we can say match of RCB and KKR. They also are.
So they see. I told you. See, every team has a gem in it, or more than one. But then it depends, how the whole team plays, because it is a game of a teamwork, not of individuals, right? We need to work together to win the match,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Okay. Coming to
Ma'am,
the
we
last
cannot one man army.
just 1 minute is left. So last paragraph. Have you all read on your own this last paragraph?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
Fine. So tomorrow we'll start with the second case study of Indonesia, Java, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do a little bit of reading on your own so that we don't have to read in the class, and directly after explaining we can start with the question answers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me one more thing. What about Shashank Navodit and Aryan Gangwar? Why these people are not attending? Are they attending other classes?
Ma'am, I never
No,
saw
ma'am.
them personally.
Hannah? Even I feel they are
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
I don't know why.